Hi, I'm Carsten. Welcome to Esbjerg, the energy metropolis of Denmark.
We're not talking about the green transition, we are actually doing it for a living.
We are the biggest hub for offshore wind in the world.
There are so many different companies working towards the same goal. We have more than 250 companies working in the energy sector. We have been growing with the green industry, and that's why we have the position we have today.
Around 1/3 of all private employees in this city has a relation to the energy sector and the energy jobs. Esbjerg has for now the last 50 years been the energy metropolis of Denmark. In 1970, Denmark found the first oil in the North Sea, and Esbjerg became the turning point of all North Sea activities in oil and gas sector. In year 2000, the world's first offshore wind park was established in the North Sea, and it was out of Esbjerg. A lot of the companies who at one point in time were sub-suppliers for the fishing industry turned themselves to be sub-suppliers in the oil and gas industry, and the same companies also became sub-suppliers to the offshore wind industry.
Half of the offshore wind parks in Europe today are being supported from here, are being built partly from here. Yeah. Today we have nearly 10 gigawatt already booked of projects in the port.
Now we are going to the next level. We are stepping into producing the green fuel, hydrogen and ammonium and so on. And actually with the new district heating system in Esbjerg, we are connecting the excess heat from these green fuels production. So connecting all these energy forms in real life, it's not prototyping, it's actually what we will heat up the city with in the future.
Access to green power from the North Sea, it's quite a unique asset to have as a country. We don't have deep waters in the Danish part of the North Sea, so we actually we are in a good position to provide an interesting level of energy cost for PTX industry. Esbjerg is the hotspot for oil and gas activities, and when going into PTX industry, you will need a lot of the same competences. So as you will see oil and gas scaling down, we are able to actually capture those competences and make use of them in the green transformation within PTX.
It's like the energy sector, we try to also on the data center side to build on the good foundations we already have. In this part of Denmark, the most important fiber connections globally are landing. Meta is planning to build quite an impressive hyperscale data center in our city too. And I think Denmark is attractive because we have very stable power support, and that's very important for this industry. We have a very well organized district heating system where we can reuse the excess heat from data centers.
So there is a really push towards getting things done and getting it done now, not only for the green transition but also for the energy security of Europe.